Marriage is God's beautiful gift to humanity. God is the author of marriage.
B, I love you. Happy anniversary. Thank you kasi
Okay lang yun. Yeah, we made it.
salamat sa lahat-lahat kasi nagtagal tayo ng ganito. Hindi natin na-expect na aabot tayo sa simbahan.
Eto na, nandito na tayo sa altar. After 14 years, matagal na nating hinintay, nangyari na, naisa katuparan na natin by God's grace. Papasalamat ako kasi hindi ka bumibitaw kahit na anong hirap ng pinagdadaanan natin sa buhay. Tapos, sana magtagal pa yung relasyon natin, mapagtagumpayan natin lahat ng magiging problema na or pagsubok na darating sa atin.
Kaya sa usapin ng pag-ibig, laging una ang pag-ibig sa Diyos. Kasi laging una din ang pag-ibig ng Diyos sa inyo.
It's such a beautiful night to make a change in our lives. East Anglian sky, empty bottle of wine. I got you by my side, talking about love and life. Oh, how lucky am I when I look in your eyes. What a wonderful way to spend a moment or two. To be lying awake and be here talking to you. I got something to say, I know what I gotta do. To be making a change, now the moment of truth. Why am I feeling so nervous when things are going so perfect? But I know that it's worth it to spend forever with you. And so I count 2, 3 and get on one knee and I ask you, darling, honestly, I've waited all this time just to make it right. So I'll ask you tonight, will you marry me? Just say yes. One word, one love, one life. A gentle touch of the hand, fingers running through hair, lips pressed to her lips, so I was caught unaware, arms holding me tight.
Yes is a powerful word in marriage. Kapag nagsabi ng oo, panindigan ninyo.
Pillow, green grass, long was the bed. Last night was the night. One last moment of truth. And what a wonderful way of falling deeper in you. Why was I feeling nervous when things were going so perfect? But now I know that it's worth it to spend forever with you. And so I count 2, 3 and get on one knee and I ask you, darling, honestly, I've waited all this time just to make it right. So I'll ask you tonight, will you marry me? Just say yes. One word, one love, one life. Some things were just meant to be. Hearts intertwined. Some things were just meant to be. In perfect time. Some things were just meant to be. Oh, you and I. Some things were just meant to be. Some things were just.
Ingatan lang natin yung pamilyang binuo natin, si Juan, si Carlos. Maging center natin si God para mas i-bless niya yung pamilya natin ng kapayapaan tsaka ng kaginhawaan sa buhay, yung malayo sa sakit. And nagpapasalamat ako kasi ikaw yung naging asawa ko. And mahal na mahal kita. Sobra. Kiss ko. Love you.
Buti na lang, binigay sa atin to ni God. I love you.
Love you too. Naiyak na agad ako.
Sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal sa huli palagi. Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman